welcome to Yummy Peas by Neha, and today I'm going to show you how to make yummy and crispy onion rings. So let's go and check the ingredients. To make onion rings we will need one big onion. I have used red onion here, and if you have any other onion like white onion or yellow onion, you can use that. 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili flake, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt according to your taste. We'll need 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Let's go and start the process. So first I'm going to cut the onion in the circle shape. So now I'm going to separate all the onions in the ring form, and I'll keep the small onions or the small circles aside, and we'll just take the big rings. Now I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients. We'll mix all-purpose flour and corn flour together. And now I'm going to put all the spices like black pepper, chili flakes, red chili powder, and salt. Now I'll just give a quick whisk. Now I'm going to make this smooth batter, and for that I'm going to use cold water. My batter is ready. It should look like this kind of consistency should be there. So now I'm going to dip the onion in the batter first. Coat the onion ring in the batter, and after that coat it with the breadcrumbs. Make sure that all the sides of the onion rings should be covered in the breadcrumb. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of the onion rings. So I have coated all the onion rings with batter and with breadcrumbs, and now I'm going to fry them in the medium-high flame. Now I'm going to fry these onion rings in the medium-high heat. Fry the onion rings till the color becomes a golden brown. or any of the snack time. Try the onion rings and let me know in the comment section how it came out. And happy cooking. We'll see you later. If you like the recipe, press the like button, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.